Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 1996 to 2002 4Runner. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Cut out the old crossmember. Clean and smooth the mounting areas for the new crossmember with a grinder. Step 3. Place the crossmember into the frame. Tack into place one side at a time to prevent warping. Then weld the part in fully. Step 4. Install the spare tire stabilizing bars with the supplied hardware. Step 5. Finally, paint the part and work area with primer. Then you're done.